Well, this is what I woke up to this morning. Of let's see, today is February 23rd, and of 2012, and we finally got the biggest snowstorm I think of the whole year. It came overnight. It's approximately 3 to 4 inches here. I think it's 4 to 5. I mean, covered everything. Everything looks extremely white. It'd be interesting if the sun was to come out. This all stays what it looks like. I mean, hopefully this will melt today some. Yeah, I'm sick of the snow, but sick of this weather we have. It was good up and down, but this is first snow. It's of this season though, up here in the north.